In this next video, we're going to be covering our transfer day allowances and our transfer day rules. Now, to make this simple, we'll go through one at a time between single delivery day and multiple delivery days, starting with single delivery days. So, with the current settings, I have delivery on Sunday and Wednesday. One order per day means if the customer comes to place an order, when they're choosing their delivery day, they would have to choose either Sunday or Wednesday. Now, what happens if we want Sunday and Wednesday to have different rules, meaning different pickup locations or different delivery zip codes or even different cutoff points? All we would do then is we're going to switch same rules to different rules, right? Because of our delivery days have different rules. When we do that, we're then going to come up to transfer days and add a delivery day. So now I could add my Sunday pickup option. And, I could say that that's 2 days, 0 hours, and a minimum price of $20. I can choose if I want to apply a fee or not, which typically would apply to our delivery and not our pickup. And I could assign any pickup locations, right? So maybe here on Sunday, they could only pick up from Harbor Fitness. And I'll click OK to save that. Now I can come in here and add my Wednesday pickup option. Now this could have a different cutoff period than Sunday did. Maybe I do want this to have a 3-day cutoff instead, also at the $20 minimum. And this pickup location could be NYSC or Park Slope Kitchen. And we'll go ahead and we'll add that. So now our 2 pickup days are added in. They both have different settings. We could do the same thing for delivery by adding our Sunday delivery in here with 2 days. And we could assign postal codes to say if somebody's ordering on Sunday, they could only order from these specific zip codes. And we could just go ahead and click OK when we're done. Now keep in mind, this still all applies to that single delivery day rule. But we could take this one step further. So I'm going to go ahead and just remove these. And we're going to change this to multiple delivery days. Now, when I come to transfer days, and let's say I add Sunday pickup, 2-day cutoff, and let's say I add Wednesday pickup, 2-day cutoff. When I come back to place an order, and we're just doing this as a manual order as an example, you see it's actually split now here on the right-hand side. And what this means is a customer can now add certain meals to Wednesday and certain meals to Sunday. So for example, I could add these meals to Wednesday, these meals to Sunday. And as I'm checking out, I've now have both delivery days within one combined order. So this is the premise of what multiple delivery days means. So again, just a quick recap. 1 day per order means each time a customer is ordering, they need to be choosing either Sunday or Wednesday. Same rules or different rules means do they have to follow the exact same parameters, or multiple delivery days, which is where a customer can place one order for more than 1 day at a time.